Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a video using the Urban Decay Naked Shapeshifter palette. And I'm super excited about this because I actually did get to play with it. I actually saved this for the video, this cardboard box, so I could show you on the video, because on the back it describes the 4 powders, which they have a dark contour, a medium contour, a light contour, and a highlighter, as well as the cream contours in here, which is a dark contour, a light contour, a color corrector, and a color corrector / highlight, and a pearl highlighter. And I am obsessed with this. I actually just recently started using these colors as well for eyeshadow, so I'm going to show you how I do that. It's actually my go-to really quick look, and it's what I have on my eyes right now. I just think it's super natural and super easy, and it's just one thing I'm pulling out of my makeup bag to do most of my makeup. I also really like using the color correctors in here to cancel out some of my acne. Sometimes I just get some really yucky pimples that are really hard to cover up with just foundation. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this video and we're going to get started. And I'm going to show you how I created this look. In a party dress, got a man eater by my side. Got a man eater. I'm just going to show you how to use this so it's your go-to when you're traveling and you don't have to bring a whole eyeshadow palette to. Just bring this palette and it covers your contouring and bronzing and highlighting and pretty much everything you need. So without further ado, here we go. I'm gonna just open this up, and it comes in this really cute package, boom, and you get your highlight, and you get a light shade, a medium shade, and then a more orangey tone shade, and then you can flip this mirror open as well, and then you get the contouring colors, and you get the color correctors and the highlight, so it's pretty exciting. And they also show you on the back. It's dark contour, light contour, color corrector, and highlighter, and pearl highlighter. That's in the creams, and then also in the powders, you get the dark contour, the medium contour, the light contour, the light contour, and the pearl highlighter. First things first, I am going to do an eyeshadow look with these colors, so I can show you how easy that is. My face is already primed and moisturized, so do that if you haven't. I'm going to go into this medium shade and take this and go right onto the crease. And that's what it looks like in the crease. Quickly going to do the other side. After you're done with that color in the crease, you want to dip into this darker color, and I want to put it on the outer V of my eye, and that is just right here. The outer V comes to here and comes up and around, just like that. And I just like to draw a V. V, V, V. Good, and now I do my other side. Okay. Oh, excuse me, that was such a squeak. Okay, so I did the outer V on both sides and I did the crease. So now what we're gonna do is go into this lighter shade, and I'm going to do my brow bone with this and just try to blend. You wanna blend out where that crease shadow is to where your eyebrow bone is, because you don't wanna be looking crazy. And I like to sometimes bring it down a little bit to clean up the outer V so it looks more natural. Do the other side. All right, so now we're actually going to go back into that medium color and hit the lid a little bit. Not too much, so we could take this. And this, I don't want to really pack it, just like a light little tap. And right on that lid area. And light little tap right on the other lid area, just a little bit, because I want it to have some color, but we're gonna put that highlighter on there. So this next part, we're gonna go into the highlighter and just give our eyes that little sparkle we're looking for. So I'm gonna go into a flat shadow brush, I'm going to quickly take some setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is my favorite, but whatever you have works. And I'm gonna go into this color, just like that. And as you can see, I have a lot on my brush, and I'm just gonna pack it from the inner corner to about the middle of my eyelid. Wow, can you not see how beautiful that is? So amazing. Other side. And then I'm going to take this and dip into my medium brown again and just blend out the lid a little bit. And make sure you get the other side too. And I like to tap in the crease one last time. Now we're gonna take that same brush that we did that lighter shade with and dip into the highlighter and just really lightly underneath the brow bone. I don't wanna pack it in like I did on the eyeshadow, just a little bit like that. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna quickly do the rest of my eyes and then I'm gonna come back and color correct and we're gonna cut here.
Okay, welcome back.
Okay, we're back. Excuse me. Now I'm gonna color correct. As you can see, I have some acne going on there and we don't love that at all. So what I'm going to do is dip into this shade right here. It's a little dark. I take my finger, just go right on it. I'm gonna go right over it. And it's gonna turn it this like orangey color, but it's gonna cover it up. And I'm gonna go into the pinker color too a little bit and just try to blend that in a bit. And I'm gonna get all my random spots I got going on. I like to take the darker color on it first to try to even it and then go in with the lighter color. And then we look and fly. And then the lighter color. And I just do it with my finger because I'm a savage like that. So as you can see, that looks a lot better with the color corrector on, but I obviously need to put a foundation on and blend that out. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm going to put on my infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation, which I've been loving. It's by L'Oreal, and I'm really liking it. It lasts a long time. I just did a review on this. It's really good. So if you were looking to get a new foundation or just wanted to experiment or heard good things about it, because it's been like everybody's been raving about it, you should definitely check it out because it's cheap. It's like 10 bucks and it's awesome. Let it bake, bake a cake, let it bake. I'm baking a cake. Yeah, that's what I do to cover up some acne. I put the color corrector on, then I put foundation on, then I put some more color corrector on, then foundation on, because it's, you know, when it's a blemish, it's a little nuts. Not just one thing covers it, and then I bake it, and I let it sit on its own, and then I just dust it off. And it looks a lot better. You can still see it. That's acne. All right, so now that I have my foundation done, I need to contour, which is what we've all been waiting for. So here we go. I really like this contour palette and I really like the powders. I like the powders a lot more than I do the creams. I'm just not a cream contour person. So I'm gonna show you what I do. So I go into my contour brush, which is right here. And I go into this medium color and I take it right on the tip and I suck my cheeks in and I draw a line from the top of my ear to about midway in my cheek. I don't go all the way down because I just think that looks a little too crazy. I'm not like contour queen. I just like to do a little something to accentuate my cheekbones, but I don't like to cut it that hard. So here it is. And now I'll just dip into the little darker shade and I'll just do half of this. And then I like to let that sit before I blend that out, and I'll do up here my contour. I just go right in the corner because I have a big forehead and I like to make it look a little smaller, you know? And not a lot smaller because we need people to know I got some brains, you know what I mean? Big brains. Okay, whatever. Don't laugh at my jokes. And I am by no way saying I'm a makeup artist. This is just what I do because it doesn't take that much time and I don't have time for all those other steps that makeup artists do all the time. It's just, life is not long enough for that. Nope, I forgot the nose, never mind. And I go lightly down the nose. I don't do this too crazy, just something like that so I can blend it out in a minute. Yes, it looks a little crazy, I know. Right now, I am going to go into my brush, and I'm just gonna blend this now. We're looking snatched. Now, the next thing I do is I'll just take this and I'll literally dip this into my loose powder and cut that line right underneath and cut that line underneath just in case there was any fallout from the contour, and I let that just sit there to brighten that area up, and then I put some blush on. She's looking cute. All right, now the next step is highlight, and we are going back into the Urban Decay palette for this highlight. Hold on, my leg is falling asleep. I gotta take off this shoe. Okay, sorry for that grandpa noises I was making. And I take this little eyeshadow brush and I just go right here so I get it directly where I want it. I want it like right at the tip of my nose because I think that's cute. So I go like this right there. Boop. Give him a little bit of shine. Then from here, you go like right over. And you say yes when you see that shine. Yes, that's what you do. Yes, girl. That's just like amazing. This is like orgasmic. I could do this all day long. Just sit there and put highlighter on my face. I want to take a bath in this. I love this. And you know, this highlighter is really good. Like the Fenty one is like amazing too, but it's like a different kind of amazing. It's like a, like glam. This is like an everyday, like it's super shiny and looks amazing, but you stand out. But the person doesn't know why kind of thing. It's like, oh, she looks really good today, but it's your highlighter. You know what I mean? Also Cupid's bow, don't forget about that. And like one last time right under the eyebrow. Sometimes I like to go up here, a little dab, right up here. Oh, and we are glowing. I'm just gonna dust off that bake over there and just bippity boppity boo. She's looking cute. All right, so let's do these eyebrows so we can be done with this. Where is my eyebrow pencil? Bippity boppity boo, bitch.
Good, girl. Good.
Are you the makeup artist? Zach. I'll let you know when my brows are on fleek. Here we go. This is going on. Yes. All right, brows are done. Need a little lippy and we'll be set. So let's put on this little melted matte latex from Too Faced to finish up this look. Ooh, we are nude, aren't we?
Dude, that's fucking disgusting. That does not look good.
Well, this is the first time trying this and it is definitely latexy feeling. Well, that lip ruined my look, but we got something to see that. We hope. Let's go.
That's so gross. It was brown.
Well, this is brown.
Why would you want brown lipstick?
Because it's cute. You don't know anything about being cute. No, that lip ain't bad. This is my look completely done, and I did most of it with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. And this did my contour, it did my eyeshadow, it did my highlights. So I really wanted to do this video like this so you could really see how you could use all of these colors and pretty much everything in here to be like a color corrector, a contour, a highlighter. So if you were going on vacation and you could only bring a couple things, what would you bring? I would say this. Sometimes you don't even need to wear a blush, especially if you're on vacation and you're just trying to do simple looks. And this is perfect for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't know if I'm loving this lip color or not. I mixed two colors because the first color I put on was this melted matte by Too Faced or not melted matte, melted latex. And it just like was not pretty. It was like this nude color and it brought out like all of the dryness on my lips. And then I mixed it with this one, which I normally like. I don't know where it went, but anyway, I mixed it with more of a brown color and then it kind of gave me this light brown thing, which right now I kind of like, but I don't know if I actually like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this makeup look and what you would want to see me do next. Also, please, please, please remember to check out my album. This is literally my baby and it has 10 songs on it. It means the absolute world to me. It has the song Man Eater on it. Who Do You Think You Are? You should check those out. You can get it on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify. You can even Shazam it. So please, please, if you haven't checked this out, please go do that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, day, whatever time this is for you. Right now it's night for me. I just got out of work. It's a Wednesday night actually. And yeah, bye guys. I love you so much. In a party dress, I'm ready to buy myself.